Do you ever wake up in the morning and your back feels stiff and achy and you're just kind of like, ugh? This yoga practice is going to work to improve flexibility in your back and to strengthen your back. I'm Sarah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The props that we'll need for today's yoga practice are a block or a bolster. Either way, we're just going to use it for a supported bridge at the end. So yummy, those. And if you're sensitive, if your knees are sensitive, you may want a blanket for extra padding under the knees. This is going to be a knee intensive practice. We'll get started in a wide leg child's pose. I'll see you there. Let's get started in a wide leg child's pose. Bring your feet together and your knees out to the sides, and then start to walk your hands forward. Coming into a wide leg child's pose, where we are enjoying this lengthening feeling in the spine. Spinal extension. You can bring your forehead all the way down to the mat. And then bring your focus to your breath. Then walk both hands over towards the left side, feeling into your right side body. Getting some lateral movement in the spine. And then bringing your hands through center, take them over towards the right side, feeling into your left side body. And then go ahead and make your way back to center. Bring your knees together. Inhale, rise up to a high kneeling position. Bring your arms up overhead. Exhale, go ahead and sit back down on your heels, bringing your hands together at heart center. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, cactus your arms out to the side. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands come to heart center. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, cactus your arms out to the side. Go ahead and bring your hands back down to your lap, and then bring your left hand over to the outside of your right knee, and bring your right arm out to the side, coming into a twist. As you inhale, think about lengthening, creating space in your spine. And as you exhale, think about twisting, moving just a little bit further. And then come back to center and let's twist to the other side. Right hand comes to the outside of your left knee. Left arm comes back behind you as you twist over towards the left. On the inhale, think about creating space. And on the exhale, twisting just a little bit further. And then come back to center. Nice. Go ahead and rise up into a high kneeling position and take your right leg out to the side. Right arm comes down your right leg and reach your left arm up and over for gate pose. Coming into this big, beautiful stretch. And take your gaze up towards your fingertips. Bring your focus back to your breath. Make your way to center, and we'll switch legs. Take your left foot out to the side. Left hand comes down your left leg. Right arm sweeps up and over for gate pose. Take your gaze up towards your fingertips. And make your way back to center. Go ahead and bring your arms and your torso forward, making your way into a tabletop position. Let's do some cat-cow. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. This next time, as you exhale and round your spine, bring your knees to a hover just off the mat. Nice. Sneaking a little bit of core work in there too. Go ahead and lower your knees. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine and hover your knees. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine and hover your knees. And lower down. Go ahead and bring your back to a neutral place and step your right foot forward. Coming into a low lunge. Lift both hands up on top of your right knee. Feeling tall, feeling steady and stable. Then go ahead and reach your right arm out to the side, coming into a twist. As you inhale, think about lengthening, creating space in the spine. And as you exhale, twisting just a little bit further. And then bringing your hand back to center. Inhale, sweep both arms up. And then start to reach into a back bend, making it as deep as is comfortable for you, listening to your body and not going deeper than you feel comfortable. And then go ahead and bring both arms forward, framing your right foot. Start to straighten your right leg out on the mat, coming into a runner stretch. And forward. Back into runner stretch. Forward to low lunge. Back into runner stretch. And this time, if it's comfortable, go ahead and fold over your right leg. And bring your focus back to your breath. Shifting forward, coming back into your low lunge. Go ahead and take your right leg back and bring your left foot forward, coming into a low lunge on the other side. Lift yourself up. Take a moment to feel into your stability. Then take your left arm out to the side, coming into a twist. As you inhale, think about lengthening, creating space in your spine. As you exhale, twisting just a little bit further. Go ahead and bring your left hand back to your knee. Inhale, take your arms up. And then again, we're going to move into a back bend. Listen to your body. As far as is comfortable for you. And lift up and frame your left foot. Go ahead and straighten your left leg out on the mat, coming into a runner stretch. Forward into low lunge, back to runner stretch. Forward into a low lunge and back to runner stretch. Again, with that option to fold over your left foot if it's comfortable for you. And bring your focus back to your breath. Shifting forward, coming back through your low lunge, go ahead and take your left foot back behind you. Walk both arms out long in front of you, coming into a puppy stretch. Feeling this lengthening through the spine. And then take your left hand underneath your right, threading the needle, feeling into your shoulders. Left arm comes back to center. Right arm goes underneath your left, threading the needle on the other side. Go ahead and bring your right hand back to center, making your way up to a seated position. All right, we're gonna lie down on our backs. Go ahead and make sure that you have either your block or a bolster handy for our supported bridge pose, and lie down on your back. Place your block underneath you on the low, medium, or the high setting, whatever feels the best in your body. Place at your low spine and your hips, and then take your arms out to the sides. Eyes can be open or closed here. Just settle into the supported bridge pose. Go ahead and lift your hips up, taking your block, your bolster out from underneath you. Oops, mine went clunk. And lower your hips down to the mat. Take your feet out as wide as the mat and windshield wipe back and forth. Back and forth. Go ahead and take your legs out long and reach your arms out overhead, coming into a big full body stretch. Hug your right knee into your chest. Then start to extend your right leg up towards the sky, bringing your hands back behind your leg. And breathe into it. Bend your knee and release your foot. Hug your left knee into your chest. And then bringing your hands behind your legs, start to extend your leg up towards the sky. Bend your knee and release your foot. Go ahead and pick your bottom up, taking it over to the left side of your mat. Bring both knees all the way over towards the right side. Option to hold on to your legs or to bring your arms out into a T and take your gaze over towards the left side. To make your way through center, picking your bottom up, taking it over to the right side of the mat. Both knees come over to the left. Option to hold on to your legs or to bring your arms into a T and take your gaze over towards the right side. Go ahead and make your way back to center, taking your legs out long on the mat. Arms come out to the sides, palms facing up towards the sky. Close your eyes. Soften your face. Let your shoulders and your arms relax. Let your hands curl. Let your torso and your hips feel heavy and sink into the mat. Let your legs and your feet soften and relax. Start to slowly bring feeling back into your fingers and your toes, these circling wrists and ankles. And reach your arms out long overhead. And then start to slowly roll over onto one side, making your way up to a comfortable seated position. Take just a moment to picture someone or something that you're grateful for. And bringing hands together at heart center. Namaste. I'm really grateful for my back and all the amazing things it does for me. I hope your back's feeling good after this practice. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again on the mat soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.